out for you, and you know the bad Production safety, going above. Lighting grids are hot, often cramped spaces at heights with a variety of lighting equipment. In this video, you'll learn the proper way to wear safety equipment when going above, and some special practices that you should use when using this equipment. Basic Personal Protection Equipment, or PPE. We all have a responsibility to take appropriate actions to protect ourselves and others. Leather palm gloves protect our hands. CSA approved safety glasses will protect our eyes. Water will keep us hydrated in these hot areas. And we can't forget gaffer's tape. Warning signs, placards, and labels. These will be posted all over the production area. It's important that we keep these in mind at all times and follow their instructions. Appropriate clothing when on site. Footwear cannot be open. Shorts are not allowed, nor are tassels or any lanyards that may hang out of your pocket. Cotton pants that cover the entire leg are recommended, as are shoes or boots. If you can, tuck the laces in so they don't get caught on any equipment. It's important to make sure you have nothing in your pockets when you go above. Really, you don't need your phone. If you need a flashlight, bring a flashlight in the special pouch. All of these things that we do often leave in our pockets when we go above have a possibility of landing on a coworker. Take them out of your pocket before you go above. It's also important to remember to remove watches and other jewelry. As you're climbing ladders and using equipment, it's very possible to get it caught on something and cause an injury to yourself. While fall arrest and fall restraint are similar in that they both use a harness, one will use a lanyard with a shock absorber, while the restraint system has a solid rope to keep you away from an edge. The harness you wear has been engineered for your safety. Here are a few points. Notice that the webbing is clean. There's a label showing you when it was manufactured and by whom. This one's hung on a hanger to keep it neat. There's a D-ring and A for showing attachment points. Belt buckles are in good condition and operate properly. This harness is in good condition and ready for use. To put the harness on properly, first, identify where your D-ring is. See the A's for attaching it. Turn it around and hold it by the shoulder straps. You can lay it on the floor if it's clean, and then step in to the rings. Once you get it over your shoulders, you can do up the front buckle. This is where you have to do some adjusting. In this case, someone much taller than me was wearing this, so these loops are larger. This is about the right length here, but this chest strap will also have to be shortened. It's important for this to be snug, but not too snug so you have range of motion. Keep in mind, you might need a buddy to help attach the D-ring. Here's your lanyard. You have 2 clips. In some cases, you'll need 2 lanyards. Notice there is a bunched up section on this one. That's the shock absorber. Close-up shot of the lanyard, the shock absorber. That's going to attach to the D-ring. If I were doing this myself, which I am, I can hook one end, an existing loop, take the shock absorber end, attach to the D-ring. Of course, this would have to be snugged up. Then, when I go to work, I can put this onto a proper D-ring. You're not supposed to put this around anything and attach it to itself. That's not allowed. Now, this little piece of fabric has the information about when it was made. If we're not using a ladder, we'll probably use a personal man lift. In this case, this is a genie lift that will go up to 30 feet in the air. Additional training is needed to use this device. Do not stand on a chair. A chair is not a ladder. Do not stand on a stool. This is a stool. A stool is not a ladder. Do not stand on a 40-gallon fog machine. A 40-gallon fog machine is also not a ladder.